Okay, so here's my code of my proof of concept 3. So, uh, so this is a kind of constant that is basically the same. The new constant I add here is the reliability variables that we have some UV readings, and also the key feature is the reading confidence that we can, so through this variable and some function we can ensure that we can correctly address the false positive and the false negative. So this is basically the same, the simulating UV index, and this is a new function that is get field UV. So the idea is pretty simple, that we have a median value, and when we detect some anomaly input, that when the difference compared to the previous is greater than 3, or this difference is greater than half of the last valid reading, we will lower our confidence and return a result that is calculated, so that we will not let this value affect our feedback for the user. So when it's normal, we'll just return this median value. So this function is pretty the same, that we map our UV index to the category we want, and this is some visual effect that according to the current um, category, we will light up some LED to indicate the user, and we also have some feedback for the UV budget, that when they endure some sunlight in the period, we will also like remind them. And this is the audio feedback, that we will play some sound. This is the updated matrix that we will accumulate the sunlight in a period. So this is the main function. Here we have a blanking effect for extreme UV value, and also the user can reset them. So mm, so in my project proof of concept 1, I think I just have a very rough idea, and I think a UV sensor would help. But in practical, I think it will not work, because it have a lot of wire and it's not suitable for user to wear this device. So in my project proof of concept 2, I think I also address some other circumstance, that when the user um, like we can address. Okay, so this is my device. You can realize that we have some red light to indicate the current sunlight, and you can witness at the right side that the blue light shows the budget of user currently use. Now the user used all the budget, so we will have a very extreme sun and visual effect to indicate the user of the current sunlight. And this indicates users should apply their sunscreen, or they should go inside the room to avoid this circumstance. Of course, the user can reset all the matrix when they already apply some sunlight to protect their skin. So they just type this one. Okay, so this matrix would all be resetted, and this is my final product.